Hi kasi, happy birthday sa iyo. Enjoy mo yung araw na to o gabi ito dahil ito ang araw ng iyong kapanganakan. Mag-aaral kang mabuti para matupad na lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Alagaan mo mabuti mga kapatid mo. Makinig kay mami and daddy. Stay healthy. Mag-iingat palagi. Yun lang. Basta enjoy mo lang ang gabing ito. Happy birthday. Sana maligaya ka ngayong gabing ito. Bye. I miss you, Cassie. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Cassie. You're such a kind and loving daughter, and we are so proud of the person you become. As you step into adulthood, may you continue to grow with grace, compassion, and strength. Always stay humble, keep your heart pure, and never stop chasing your dreams. We love you so much. Enjoy your special day, and God bless.
Birthday, Ate Cassie!
Happy birthday, Cas! Enjoy your day. Malaga ka na.
Hi, Cassie! Cheers to 18. Huwag mo na masyado mag-isip ng adult responsibilities. Just focus on having fun today. Happy birthday. God bless you always and hope to see you soon. We love you.
Hi Cassie, it's me Ate Joyce. I just want to greet you a happy 18th birthday. I know it's been a while. If I'm not mistaken, it's 15 years already since the last time I saw you. But even though it's been a while, I just want to let you know that I'm happy to see the lady that you're becoming into. And I wish you nothing but success, happiness, and all the good stuffs in life. And I hope to see you very soon. Just know that we're just here and we love you so much. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Ninang! Happy birthday, Ninang! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ninang! Yay! Happy birthday po, Ninang Cassie! I love you! Happy birthday, Ninang!
Yay!
Oh, yay! Ninang, happy birthday, Cassie! I love you! Ingat ka palagi dyan! Oh, miss ka na namin!
Happy birthday, Cassie! Enjoy ka dyan sa birthday mo. Lagi kayong mag-iingat. Mag-aaral kang mabuti. Happy birthday, Cassie! Enjoy your day.
Ingat po palagi!
Hi Cassie! Happy 18th birthday! May this new chapter of your life brings you happiness, confidence, and endless opportunity. I love you, take care, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Cassie. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi Cassie, happy 18th birthday. Welcome to adulthood. I wish you all the best and take care always. God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, Cassie. Wish you all the best and wish you happiness in life. Good luck on your studies. May God bless you more. Hope to see you soon. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday. We miss you and I hope you enjoy your special day. I wish you happiness, good health, and success in everything you do. See you soon.
Go. Happy 18th birthday, Cassie! We miss you! See you soon!
Hi, Cassie! Happy 18th birthday!